Racing just is started. Labora at Labora. Break quickly restart. Running by the rail. Miss Lopez. Moving upon the outside. Ballerin between horses. Luneta Park while play. It safe is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, Labora at Labora on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length and a half leader. Miss Lopez in second, then followed by Luneta Park. Play It Safe comes next, while Valera now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Ora at Labora, enjoying a length and a half lead. Luneta Park now trying to get closer in second. Play It's Safe now moving up, then comes Valera, while number 2 Miss Lopez now racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Luneta Park down the inside. Ora at Labora. Play It's Safe is Arias as they swing for Rumba. Luneta Park by over length. Play It's Safe is on the outside, but it's still Luneta Park by over length and a half. Overplay It's Safe, and finally it's Luneta Park. Play It's Safe. Ora at Labora.
Only the second choice, number 4, Luneta Park. Ang laking kabayo. Ganda, laki oh. Parang liit lang yung play it safe, katabi niya oh. At maganda yung pagdadala. It's JB Guso over JB Hernandez. Dito sa race number 2, Luneta Park. Medyo nahirapan yung ulo, hindi maganda yung salida. Tsaka medyo green pa yung kabayo. Mapapansin mo sa replay partner, parang